Well, I think bringing science and art is a complicated thing. First, if it's bringing science and art together, it always fails. It's offering to artists and to scientists, to some artists and to some scientists, a challenge and a task which is not what they are used to do in any case. I'll give you one example. Take Saraceno, for instance, with Thomas Saraceno is a very interesting artist and a friend of mine. And what it does is completely unusual for artists, but it's also completely unusual for the art scientists he mobilized in his wake. I mean, he's precisely publishing papers with scientists about spiders and spiders' web and producing other visualizations simultaneously. So I think it goes nowhere when we bring science and art together. It goes somewhere when there is a specific, highly important challenge where basically artists and scientists don't know what they are doing and where they are going. I'll give you the example I'm working on now, which is working with geoscientists about the visualization of the what they call critical zone, which is the very thin layers and pellicule where life forms exist. Maybe there are some elsewhere, but on Earth they all live inside these very, very tiny little layers a few kilometers up and few kilometers down, which is called the critical zone. Scientists have no idea how to represent that either. So here I mobilize artists, architects, geographers, data scientists, data visualizer, for a question which none of these different disciplines has ever had to carry. And the scientists are very, very interested in collaborating, not because they know and they want the artists to sort of display what they know. It's not a question of visualizing or designing nice stuff. It's because bringing to the science itself the repertoire of skills which they don't have yet. So this is a very stimulating thing, and this is what I did in the Anthropocene monument in Toulouse, which was a big exhibition in an art place. And the scientists there were absolutely amazed to see that some of the questions they had were also the artist questions.